Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Unboxing and first impressions of the Retroid Pocket Mini handheld Android in a compact and elegantly packaged box as usual from Retroid, you will find inside the Pocket Mini handheld gaming device. A user manual in English and a Type-C charging cable. Design and build quality. This new handheld comes with a 4.3 aspect ratio that gives us some great atmosphere with a high-quality plastic body that is very well processed. Characterized by its solidity, soft touch, and lightweight. The main feature of the Retroid Pocket Mini handheld gaming device is the OLED screen. Here it will be a screen with a diameter of 3.7 inches or 9.4 centimeters and a resolution of 1280 by 960 pixels. The aspect ratio is 4:3. Here, of course, we will find all the standard buttons for fun games. Easy to portable. Its lightweight design and pocket-friendly size make it easy to carry, ensuring you can take your games with you wherever you go. It features a dual LED joystick, a D-pad placed on the upper left side of the device, and face buttons on the upper right side. Additionally, the current device also features stacked shoulder buttons, a 4.3 display, and 3 separate inputs on the bottom of the device for inserting a USB-C charger, headphones, or TF cards. The Retroid Pocket Mini comes with an ostrich texture that helps the user enjoy a long period of use without feeling bored due to the smooth design and classic edges of the device. As the first impressions when holding the device. The device features an elegant design inspired by the old style that immediately reminds us of the aesthetics of Android handheld devices. It reminds me of the old versions in terms of the feel of the buttons used in this modern compact version. The buttons are well placed. The Retroid Pocket Mini comes with sculpted corners to give a comfortable impression in prolonged use. A flat design and simple shoulder buttons that are somewhat hidden inside the cover where the device buttons work well. The controls and button layout on its face. The D-pad and buttons are well placed for ease of use. The design includes a traditional D-pad for old devices, and the control arms provide ease of use for small hands and provide a nice tactile response. The analog control sticks provide smoothness and accuracy during play, as they feature a soft, responsive click for easy use for long periods. The build quality seems solid, with a slightly textured finish to the plastic body to improve grip. With a 4000 mAh battery, it is light enough for extended gaming sessions, yet feels sturdy in the hand due to the Retroid-styled back. You will not feel bored during long periods of operation. There is a main ventilation hole in the back of the device and the top of the device, with 2 outputs for speaker 1 and an output for speaker 2 on the front of the device. In terms of the device's ergonomics, it comes in a small size, ideal for gaming on the go. It is characterized by the comfort of the button design, weight, and feel during extended use, as the device is relatively small, very similar to old devices with a classic print. In addition, there is a USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a cover covering the microSD card slot. Moving to the top, with the exhaust hole next to the power and volume control buttons. The bottom of the device with the ability to support communication methods with an ideal weight of 222 grams. As for the screen, the new Retroid Pocket Mini has a 3.7-inch touch screen, with a resolution to match. Resolution of this AMOLED touch screen is 1280 x 960 pixels with 60 frames per second. This console is perfect for emulating more demanding platforms such as PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2. Its design has also been renewed, much more ergonomic and with backlit Hall sticks with 5 colors available for all tastes. Powerful thanks to its Snapdragon 865. One of the aspects that stands out the most among its features compared to its predecessor, the Retroid Pocket 2S, is its processor, which has been significantly improved. In the engine room we have a Snapdragon 865 processor which has 8 cores distributed in one x86 at 2.8 GHz, 3x77 at 2.4 GHz and 4x55 at 1.8 GHz. On the GPU we have Adreno 650. As for the processor, there is little more to say. It is a very powerful processor that will delight the most avid gamers. With this processor you can play practically anything and enjoy the most demanding games.